One of the things I've really enjoyed about coming to Alliance Bank and starting to work here is their involvement in the community. They are a small community bank and they're really invested in the community and their clients. I've really enjoyed over my time being here, getting to know these clients, getting to go out and visit some of these businesses and learn the ins and outs and how they impact the community they live in as well. I'm Alex Smith. I'm the electronic banking manager here at Alliance Bank. I just started back in February of last year. Prior to this, I've had 10 years plus of banking experience, primarily focusing on treasury management support within the last 6 years. Our customers within the electronic banking department kind of range from everybody. You have your normal retail clients who call in, you have your other employees that call in with questions, but you also have your business clients, and we try to meet whatever needs they may have. Our business clients range from just one individual who started a DBA that might be doing photography on the side, all the way up to large associations. Farmers have their own businesses that they're running. So we have a nice variety of businesses, clients that call in on a regular basis. One of the biggest misconceptions is, since we are a small community bank, is that we might not be able to offer the same products and services that these large, bigger banks, and even now these larger online financial services can provide, but we have our own products that stand up to a lot of what they can offer. Being in customer service, most of the time whenever somebody calls in, it's because they have an issue or a problem that they need a resolution to. And this includes business clients as well. A lot of times they'll call in with a general issue. They might be taking too much time driving to the bank, or there might be an issue with somebody cashing a check or depositing a check. And that's something where we can expand on, and that's just the introductory question that might start that conversation of what other products we might be able to offer them. The industry might call the services cash management, treasury management, or what they're known as. We do offer those kinds of products. Some of the more popular ones are ACH processing for payroll or direct deposit, or if you have people that have that need to pay rent or some kind of service that they're needing to pay on a monthly basis, ACH processing can handle those. Another popular one is remote deposit capture, or RDC. This is where you have a machine at your business location where you can scan in checks at location, and then they're automatically deposited into your account. There is no business that is too small or too big to utilize direct deposit for payroll. We can go from as small as 1 or 2 employees all the way up to hundreds or even thousands of employees and still have the same user experience with processing their payroll. Positive Pay is another treasury management product we offer. This product is primarily for the businesses that write checks. This is a fraud monitoring system that allows you to input your checks that you write, and then whenever they clear the account, it will verify what you wrote with what cleared. So that way it prevents you from having to manually look over every check image that you write, so that way you can see if there's a fraudulent attempt to cash a check on your account for a fraud check or even a different amount than what you wrote it for. One of the newer products we rolled out the end of last year and into this year is P2P, or person-to-person. This may be very similar to other products you've seen on the market. This allows you to instantly send funds to a friend or family member, and it's very instantaneous. P2P is very useful in the scenarios where if you go out with a group of friends or family out to dinner, and one individual picks up the entire check and you want to give them your portion, but you don't have cash. This is a very simple, straightforward process of sending your portion of the bill. Or you may have somebody that you split rent with and they're paying the full amount and you want to pay them your half. This is also a great example of using P2P. Alliance Bank wants to be your full service provider. So if there is something that interests you or a need that you have that's not currently being met, instead of reaching out to somebody else, reach out to us. If it's something I've talked about today that might be able to help you, that's great. If not, it might be something else that we have that we can offer you, or something we know that might be down the road.